morning. The government seems to be on roll with announcements coming in as if there is no tomorrow, perhaps making up for the lost yesterdays. After the FDI blitz and the bold fuel price hike, the centre has unveiled a package for the troubled power sector. Reports suggest that the PMO2 is set to unleash measures aimed at boosting sectors such as industry, energy, finance and infrastructure. A cabinet reshuffle is also on the cards shortly. What this means is that the current momentum may sustain a bit longer if the measures announced by the government are industry and market friendly. The opening today is likely to be a tad positive despite indecisive cues from the Asian markets. The stage looks set for the continuation of the current upswing, though the pace of the ascent from here on could be moderate. The Nifty is expected to be range bound between 5,640 to 5,750. Action might shift to small cap and mid cap shares. US markets closed marginally lower on Monday due to lingering worries about the slowing global growth. European indices ended in the red as worries about Greece and Spain resurface. S&P has cut GDP's growth forecast for most of the Asian economies, while Germany's IFO business sentiment declined to a two-year low. The FIIs were net buyers of Rs 15.95 billion in the cash segment on Monday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 11.56 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The FIIs were net sellers of Rs 2.4 billion in the FNO segment on Monday, according to the provisional NSE data. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 24.71 billion in the cash segment on Friday, as per the SEBI website. Moving on to recommendations, the technical call for the day is: we advise buying Bharat Forge above Rs 303 with target price of Rs 315 and for the stop loss placed at Rs 297. Our derivative strategy for the day is long TCS October 1200 put option above Rs 18 for the target price of Rs 32 and a stop loss placed at Rs 11. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.